Lesson number 21st. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. Do you like movies? Where do you usually see movies? How often do you watch movies? At home? In theaters? Where do you find movies to watch at home? Library? Cable? Blockbuster? Netflix? Do you have cable television? Do you use on-demand features? Do you own any movies? Which? Do you repeatedly watch them? Have you figured out a way to see movies for free? How? Can you compare movie houses in your homeland with theaters in the United States? What might annoy you at a movie theater? Using phones? Babies crying? Other? Do you have a favorite movie theater? A preferred place to sit? Have you ever seen a celebrity or famous person? Where? Tell us about it. Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.